If you're new, my name is Joy, and today I am sharing how I got my goddess faux locks. So first things first, let's go over the supplies you're gonna need to create your beautiful goddess faux locks. Number one, make sure you have comb. Next, you wanna make sure you have jam. You can either get the Shine and Jam, which is something that I love, or you can get the Jamaican Mango and Lime Locking Firm Wax. Now this one is new. This is gonna be my first time using it, and we'll just see how it turns out. Next, we want to make sure we have rubber bands. This is the secret ingredient to gripping this short hair. So if you yourself have short hair, this is a great method for you to try. Next, you want to make sure you have something to oil your scalp throughout the process. I have the d.i.y homemade olive oil castor oil mix. If you grew up doing your hair, your mother did your hair, this is that OG, triple OG original hair castor oil. You just always had this in your house. Like, that's just what it was. Next, you want to make sure you have mousse for the braids. This one specifically is the Locs and Braid foam control. It helps to just keep everything in place right after you complete your braids. And you also want to make sure you have a specific cap for the locks, because if you have long locks, your hair is not going to fit in the traditional cap that you use to sleep. So you want to go ahead and get one that's designed specifically for long faux locks. Next, if you are a girly that loves to do her own hair, you want to part your parts better, this is a great tool to have. It is the 3-way mirror. I got it on Amazon. I will of course link everything in the description box below, but this tool is great, especially because when it comes to the back and you're not confident in your parts, this helps you a lot to like get the parts the way you want them to look. So getting into the hair, I got the hair from Amazon, from So Cool. It comes like this. It includes the hair as well as little beads and a crochet wand. So for the girlies that want to do this on their own, they actually give you 2 little treats, which is great. And then it comes with 4 packs of each, so 8 packs of hair that you'll be able to utilize. So this is how it will fully look, and you'll be able to wrap it. And this is how the ends are, which makes it easier to wrap your hair around. And then for the curls, I went ahead and bought the Water Wave Authentic brand hair in 22-inch. I love this. I got it in the color 1, which is black. I decided to go black. If you know me, you know I love color. As you can see, my hair has color in it, and I wasn't really ready to cut it all off yet, so I decided to go with black because it would be easy to hide the tips, as well as I just really wanted to do this style as well, so that's why I didn't cut my hair. That wraps up everything you need. Now let's get started. So to create my goddess faux locks, I am using the rubber band method. I have already sectioned out my hair. So what I do is I grab the rubber band and I place the actual Marley hair through the rubber band. From there, I grab only the rubber band, not the hair, and I attach it to my hair. So you're going to take the rubber band and leave the hair to the side. Do not touch the hair that's attached. Take the rubber band and wrap the rubber band around your hair. Make sure to, if your hair is natural, make sure to put gel on it just to have a better grip of it. From there, you're going to go ahead and separate your natural hair and hide it in between the hair that you're going to use as your strand. There's one side you're not going to touch and the other side you are going to touch. You're going to simply wrap your hair in the middle so that it's hidden. From there, you're going to take the other strand of hair and you're going to wrap it around that strand that you have already. You want to make sure you go counterclockwise because it gives it a tighter grip and it will hold longer. You won't get the raveling effect if you do it clockwise. Now to add the curly pieces in these goddess locks, you want to go ahead the same way you added the Marley hair between the rubber band. You're going to go ahead and also include the curly piece of hair. And you're going to do the same exact method. You're going to take the rubber band, wrap it around your natural hair. From there, you're going to take all 3 strands. You want the Marley strand and the 2 strands of curly hair together. You're going to take the other strand of Marley hair and wrap it around all 3 pieces counterclockwise. Once you go halfway, making sure you're covering the rubber band. That is the biggest thing. Make sure you cover the rubber band first. You want to go up and down in that little corner at least twice, and then continue going down. From there, you want to decide where you want the curly piece to come out. Once you decide, you're going to take 1 curly piece out and set it aside. You can either use a clip or use your mouth to hold the piece in place, and then wrap around the hair, but starting underneath that curly piece, because you want that piece to be out. So you're gonna wrap around until literally you see that curly piece is out of the way and it's not gonna get caught. And if you want, you can do the same thing with the other piece of curly hair, or you could keep the curly hair piece inside the lock and just keep wrapping. It's up to you what style you want it to be. I like my hair to be super curly and full, so I always let both strands out and then wrap around the hair till I get to the end. So again, to do this, you're gonna go ahead, take the rubber band and wrap it around your hair without using any of the Marley hair. From there, you're gonna grab 1 strand of the hair and take your hair and hide your hair in between that strand. You're gonna then take the other strand of hair and begin to wrap it around the strand you was already holding, making sure to wrap up and down in that beginning section so that you can hide the rubber band. Once the rubber band is hidden, you're gonna continue to just wrap down counterclockwise. This method works great for anyone who has short hair and you're looking to do the more natural version of the goddess faux locks. If you're not into crocheting, this is another great way to do it that gives you that a more natural look. So that wraps up today's video. I hope you like this tutorial. I am in love with these goddess locks. They look so freaking cute. Like, girl, yes. You already know, if you like this video, be sure to hit that like button. If you want to see more videos like this, wait. If you like this video, be sure to hit that like button. If you want to see more videos like this, be sure to subscribe. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.